Hello everyone, welcome to all in my channel Samman Academy. So I would like to explain the topic which are related to your chemistry portion. So guys, class 12, are you ready for studying your respective or concerned topic? So I'm going to start the basic thing for the syllabus of 2020 and 22 because there are some minor changes that have been done. In previous year, some of the portion has been deducted, but now in this year that portion is also included. Okay, so you have to study the last to last year syllabus. So there are three portion. Whenever I am talking about the chemistry syllabus of class 12, in that case you have to study the physical portion, physical chemistry portion, organic chemistry as well as inorganic chemistry. So if I'm talking about the physical chemistry, so there are 5 chapters. Like first is the solid state, second solution, and third is the electrochemistry, and then after the chemical kinetics, and the last one is surface chemistry. So all these chapters are related to your physical portion. You have to study all these chapters. And the question, if I'm talking about the weightage of the marks, or so in from physical chemistry you'll be getting 23 mark questions, not more than 23, and you'll be getting the 8 or 10 2 marks, 8 to 10 marks numerical portion will be included in that case. Okay, so after that, after completing this physical, then moving ahead, just I'm going to explain about the inorganic portion. So inorganic portion, it means there are 4 chapters. First, general principle and isolation of elements. It means that is called metallurgy. You have to study about the metallurgy, how to extract the metal from their ores or minerals. So in this case you have to study about the aluminum, like metallurgy of aluminum, metallurgy of copper, metallurgy of iron, metallurgy of zinc. Only 4 metallurgies have been mentioned in this chapter. After that, p block elements. So in case of p block element, you have to study the properties and the properties of compounds like group 15, group 16, group 17 as well group 18. Okay, after that, D and F block elements. In this chapter also you have to study about the properties of D block elements as well as F block elements. Then the last one is coordination compound. It means you'll be getting the topics, how does the formation of coordination compound takes place, and how to write the IUPAC nomenclature and isomerism, and some of the balance bond theory as well as crystal field theory is over there. So these important topic are included in your coordination chemistry. Then after that, moving ahead, the major portion that is included in your syllabus, chemistry syllabus, that is organic chemistry. Organic chemistry approx the half marks. It means you will be getting the question approx 28 to 30. आपको 28 से 28 मार्क्स पे 30 मार्क्स तक के क्वेश्चन आपके ऑर्गेनिक पोर्शन से आते हैं. सबसे बड़ा पोर्शन आपका क्लास 12 में जो है, दैट इज द ऑर्गेनिक पोर्शन. सो यू विल बी गेटिंग फ्रॉम ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री, यू विल बी गेटिंग अप्रॉक्स 7 यूनिट्स. इट मींस आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन द फर्स्ट यूनिट. फर्स्ट यूनिट इज द haloalkane haloarenes, and after that alcohols, phenol ethers, and the third one is aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid, and after that the fourth one, organic compound containing nitrogen. It means you'll be getting the nitro compound and amines and cyanide, isocyanide as well. Okay, so after that, the next chapter is polymers. It means polymer, you'll be getting the concept of the polymer, classification of the polymer, and what are the advantages and application of the polymers, and what are the biodegradable and non-biodegradable polymer, and what is the vulcanization of rubber. So you'll be getting all these topic in polymers. After that, chemistry in everyday life. So this is the very important chapter nowadays in this pandemic. Already you are well knowing about the types of tablet, types of the medicines. So you'll be getting like analgesic, antiseptic, antipyretic, antibiotic. You'll be getting all these drugs. You will be studying about all these drugs. Then after that, chemistry in cosmetics, as well as soap and detergent. You will be getting all these topics. And after that, the last one is the biomolecule. Biomolecules portion is related to the biochemistry, and in this chapter we have to study about the carbohydrate, types of carbohydrate and their structure. After that, proteins, and then the structure of protein, and what is the peptide bond, and what is the functioning of protein in human body. And after that, nucleic acid. Nucleic acid means there are two types of nucleic acid. The first one is deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA, and the second one is RNA, ribonucleic acid. So what are the nucleotide, and what are the nucleoside, and what are the function, what is the purine basis, and what are the pyrimidine basis. You will be getting all these topic in this particular chapter. And the last one is vitamins. Vitamins means there are two types of vitamins. Vitamins first means the water soluble vitamins and the fat soluble vitamins, and you will be getting the properties of vitamins and the chemical property as well. So this is the syllabus for upcoming session 2021 and 22 in chemistry. So there will be the 70 marks portion. 70 marks का आपका chemistry का portion होगा. इसके बाद 30 marks का आपका practical होगा. So the important portion for practical, it means titration is mandate. That is related to the volumetric portion, volumetric analysis. Then after this, salt analysis, that is also the mandate part. And after that, content based analysis. In content based analysis, you will be getting like functional group test, or inorganic compound preparation, or organic compound preparation, or some chemical kinetics test, or some formation of salt or carbohydrate test, or some practical portion of the surface chemistry. So you will be getting the content base. So in whenever I'm talking about the practical portion, so you will have the 30 marks practical portion and 8 marks the first experiment, that will be totally related to the salt analysis, and after that the volumetric salt analysis, then volumetric analysis, and the last one is functional group test. So 22 marks practical and 4 marks practical regard viva and 4 marks project regard viva. So this is about the class 12th. So class 12th means class 12th. So theory portion, already I taught about the theory portion, 70 marks. And after that the practicals portion 30 marks. So total 100 marks. 100 marks. So guys, this is about the session for your syllabus. So before starting the class 12th chemistry portion, class 12th chemistry syllabus, you must be knowing about your syllabus, what you have to study in class 12. आपको क्या क्लास 12 में पढ़ना है, आप cbsc.nic.in आप विजिट कर सकते हो. cbsc.nic.in पर आप विजिट कर सकते हो. यहाँ से आपका क्लास 12 क्लास 11 का कैरिकुलम मिलेगा. वहां से आप देख सकते हो कि आपके सिलेबस में कौन से चैप्टर्स हैं, कौन से यूनिट इन्वॉल्व हैं, और उनके सब यूनिट क्या हैं और सब टॉपिक क्या हैं. सो थैंक यू गाइज. For more contents in next class, definitely I will start yours according to your syllabus. For more topic, for more content, please like and subscribe my channel Samman Academy, and that channel is only provide the topic from chemistry. Okay, thank you.